syngonium, honey. I just got this at Home Depot for $12. Isn't that pretty? Look at him. He loves it. Say hi, everyone. Welcome to my mommy Mooney's Garden and Kitchen. He loves to check out my new plant. Every time I bring new plant into the house, he just loves to check it out. He's so nosy. What's that? Hi, baby. Doo-doo. Hi, Lucky. Are you gonna say hi to the world? You like to smell the flower that Daddy gave Mommy? That beautiful flower? Oh, he loves it. You done? Okay. So beautiful. Look at this one. All pink. Pretty. And I think I have the half moon in here. I saw it the other day. Oh, there she is. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. So pretty. I love syngonium. It's super easy to take care of. I wait till the water in the pot like dry 50%, then I water them again. They're not fussy for me at all. Not too high of humidity. I live in a dry desert and they're doing fine. This is very common. Syngonium. I just seem to pick the right one and pretty. It's only $12.98 at Home Depot. Look at this one. So pretty. Love it. And the speckle on this. I'm a sucker on the, variegated and pink speckle. So unique, so beautiful. Love it. Hi guys, welcome to Mooney's Garden and Kitchen. Today I am excited because I received the package today and I'm going to open them up for you guys. This is my first time ordering plant from Etsy, and it came from the Green Escape. Yay! I'm excited to open it up. And I received another plant a couple days ago. I already opened that plant up, but I'm gonna show her first. And here she is. Beautiful, still in that package, little cups here and the moss. See? This is Scindapsus variegated. See, half moon. Beautiful, I love it. Scindapsus mayori variegated. Look how beautiful she is. I love that. They're very easy to take care of. To me, they're a little bit slow grown, but we'll see. So she has 6 leaves. I already chop her up and propagate her because she's kind of expensive and I want to have more than one, and I'm gonna, as soon as, here is what I did. I chop her up and I put her in this little water bottle. And I propagate some other stuff in here too, like golden poto and philodendron mica in here. So I feel that because Scindapsus is slow grow, so I feel that if I put other plant in here to propagate, so that can and stimulate the root to get faster. So we'll find out within a week or two, right? And I'll show you the update on this. So we will see. She's right here. If I can see her. See? Beautiful. It's got 3 leaves, the little baby leaves right there. So yeah, I chopped her up the other day and I propagate her. So it's been in the water for a couple of days now. So I just thought I wanted to show you that. Beautiful. I love it. So now let's open the box and see what's in here. Alright. I'm excited. I was a little nervous because ordering a plant for the first time in the winter time. So I hope that, you know, it's gonna be okay. We'll find out, right? Say thank you for supporting us. I'll put the name down below so that you guys can check them out, and shipping it. Okay, that's how they look like. I'm excited because, you know, I never really order plant online because I always think that it's expensive, and this company, the Green Escape, it's pretty recent price, so you guys might want to check it out. I'm not sponsored or anything. I'm just, you know, excited to show you guys my plant open box today, and then just tell you guys the name and the good price. So let's see what this one is. Crystallinum cross with magnificum. I'm still learning all the name of the plant, so I like to order a starter plant because, first of all, they a lot cheaper than the, you know, full-grown plant, and besides, I want them to get acclimated into my, you know, environment, and so for me to start out with the, you know, tropical plant, I wanted to start out with a starter plant or from seedling. Here she is. Oh, really small. Oh, how beautiful! I love it. Look how cute. Like a little in this little wrapping plastic, like a little. Was it 1 inch, 2 inch looking part here? Look how cute! A starter plant. Look at that. Beautiful. An Anthurium crystallinum crossed with magnificum. If I pronounce it right, guys. I'm trying to learn all the tropical plants. It's not that easy to pronounce some of the plants. Look how pretty. I love it. Adorable, so cute. Alright, I'm gonna have to take good care of that. I'm gonna put her right here for now so she don't just lean everywhere. Right? So I live in dry heat weather here in Las Vegas, so I'm gonna have to find a way to provide, you know, humidity or put in a greenhouse or something. That's why I like to order plant from a starter plant, you know, so that way hopefully they can acclimate in one. Okay, this one is Anthurium carinarium. I pronounced that right. Okay. There she is. Ooh, that's beautiful. I love it. Just a little bit damaged, no problem. So this is Anthurium carinarium. That's pretty. I think there's one plant or two plants in here. It's one. It just had like 5 leaves, 2 baby leaves and medium leaf. I think that's just dust or... Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that pretty? I think that little brown thing, I think it's just dirt from the package moving around. So let's see how she looks like. This is all starter plants. Oh, how cute! So this year I am into Anthurium. I find one at local nursery, and it's like, you know, over $100 expensive, and online it's like a few $100s. So I like to order a small starter plant like this. So there she is, beautiful. Just a little bit damaged leaf right down here, so no problem. Still a little bit dehydrated, gonna have to give her some, you know, water. Alright, so let's open the next one. So the next one is Hoya Cariona Eskimo. What a name, huh? I just love the silvery looking Hoya, the leaf, but we'll see how silver it looks, right? Sometimes I order Hoya before, it's supposed to be silver sparkling, and when it comes it wasn't silver at all. So, ooh, it is silver. Now when they say starter plant, it's really a starter plant. I just see a whole bunch of leaves, but I don't really see like the dirt was too much covering the leaf. So I kind of removed the dirt a little bit because I wanted to show you guys. Because sometimes they're just rolling around in the box and then the dirt just covering up. Look how beautiful this Hoya is. I don't know if you can see in the camera. Really silver. I love it. Cute. Well, Hoya is supposed to be a lot easier than Syngonium. Well, not Syngonium, Anthurium I meant. I have Syngonium, and Syngoniums are easy for me. So look at that, how silver that looks. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Yeah, so well, I'll show you guys update later. This is a little tiny, you know, starter plant. So I'm gonna separate that from the, well, I'll put together here so I know where it is. Okay, I'm making a mess. So let's open the next one. Okay, so the next one here is Syngonium Mojito. I love that drink. That's one of my favorite drinks, and I got the plant, Syngonium. They're super easy to take care of. You just open this up, and this is also a starter plant. Look how beautiful. I love Syngonium. It's super easy to take care of. Look, Syngonium. I love it. So they'll probably have more variegated leaf coming out later on. Right now I only have 4 leaves. So you want to place this in the bright and direct light so that way they can keep the variegation beautiful, and but not direct light, because you know the leaves are thin and you don't want the leaf to get burned so easily. But they're very easy to take care of. I have the Syngonium, the Thai pink one, the variegated. I'll show it to you guys later. I water them like every 2 weeks, or a week and a half, and she's doing just fine, you know. Just provide her humidity here and there. The pot, I waited till 50% dry, and then I watered the Syngonium, and they're doing fine. But for the Anthurium, might be different, you know. They always wanted to keep it moist and lots of humidity. So that's why I buy a lot of, you know, starter plants, so that I'm hoping for them to acclimate in my environment. So yeah, this is it, guys. I opened 5 plants, and plus this beautiful Scindapsus variegated. I'm in love with this. This is so beautiful. They're very easy to take care of, and I'm hoping by me propagating them, gonna give me another, you know, Syngonium, because this kind is a little bit pricey. Beautiful. So So thank you guys for watching my video, opening my first time tropical plant. Thank you so much for watching my show, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.